Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the reading of chapter number 9 Air, Water, and Weather. Firstly, we will see what is air. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can only feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Air is made up of several gases. You can see in the picture, air is made up of several gases. The main gases are nitrogen, 78% nitrogen are present, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Air also contains water vapor present in air. Air is present for all living things. All animals and plants breathe in oxygen. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. During the day, plants need carbon dioxide and sunlight to make their food, and in return, they give them oxygen. But in night, we both need oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. So, in the whole process, in daytime, plants need carbon dioxide and give them oxygen gas, but in night, they need oxygen gas and releases carbon dioxide. Air also contains dust, smoke, germs, and some harmful gases given out by vehicles and factories. You can see in the picture these are the things which makes the air dirty. Dust, smoke, germs, and harmful gases of vehicles and factories make the air dirty. Dirty air is also called polluted air. It is bad for us. Plants give out oxygen in daytime and make the air clean. Topic is water. When water is kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, it changes into ice. You can see in the picture when water is kept in the freezer of a refrigerator, it changes into ice. And if you melt the ice, it changes back into water. And if you heat the water, it starts boiling and changes into a gas called steam or water vapor. If you cool the steam by placing a steel plate over the boiling water, it changes back into water. Look in this picture, ice and steam are form of water. Ice is a hard form of water. You can see in the picture it has its own shape. It is a solid. Look in this picture, water can flow, it is a liquid. Steam can mix with air and spread out everywhere, it is a gas. These are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Next topic is the water cycle. Look in this picture, water evaporates from oceans, rivers, ponds, and streams due to heat of the sun. Evaporation puts water vapors into the air. When the air cools, the vapors change into tiny drops of water. Clouds are drops of water that are formed on dust particles. Sometimes these tiny drops of water join to form larger drops. And when the drops get heavy enough, they may fall as a rain. This water cycle show how the water on earth is used over and over. This rainwater goes into ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds and streams. It again evaporates. This goes on repeating. Thus, the water cycle in nature goes on and on. Next topic is the weather. Weather changes from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. It can be sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy. The weather changes are mainly brought about because of the heat of the sun. When the sun shines brightly, it heats up the ground. The air also becomes hot. Hot air is lighter than cold air. The hot air rises up, then cold air rushes in to take its place. This causes the wind to blow. Now we see what is breeze and gale. When the wind blows slowly, called a breeze. But when wind blows very fast, it is called a gale. Gale means strong wind and breeze means light wind. When a strong gales come with a rain or snow, it is called a storm. Strong gales and storm can cause a lot of damages. You can see in the picture, they can even uproot trees. Next topic is the season. Firstly, we will see what is season. A season is a period of 2 or 3 months with same kind of weather. There are 4 seasons in every year: the summer, winter, spring and autumn. In some month of the year it is very hot. This is the summer season. The rainy season comes after the summer season and this is followed by the winter season. In some parts of the Pakistan it becomes very cold, but in other parts it is not very cold.